roasted sweet potatoes. How easy was that dish to make? I'm gonna show you a little extra something today. We roasted these sweet potatoes and they just came out less than 15 minutes ago. My mother, she loves the potato like this. You're roasting them whole, they're nice and sweet. You leave it on the pan because the skin is gonna stick to the pan, so it makes it easier for you to get this off. Now, my mom would use maple syrup or honey, but I'm gonna go one step further and use baklava syrup because it's got the cinnamon and the cloves, and the lemon and the orange flavoring. You know, slivers of unsalted butter. I mean, you can't have a potato without butter. I'm sorry. I'm just telling you right now. A little salt, and then my baklava syrup, which is honey, my simple syrup. And then you need a little citrus to kind of balance out that sweetness. Like I said, you don't need the baklava syrup. You can put honey or maple syrup on and then sprinkle cinnamon over the top. But the most important thing is to get the butter and the salt and roast them whole. They're unbelievably sweet and delicious. And they're good for you. It's a resilient starch. Buy 3 raw potatoes, bake them for an hour and a half, and then do this. Done. And don't forget to bake them on a piece of paper. So when you got to do the dishes later, boom!